Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a pubg gameplay battery drain test in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So the Samsung Galaxy M31 has a 6000 mAh of battery capacity. So I'll be doing the pubg battery drain test while using the smooth and extreme settings in this gameplay test. So I got the stopwatch ready here friends, as you can see here. So right now let me show you the exactly battery percentage, how much it is. So it's 100%. Let me try to zoom in correctly. As you can see friends, it's 100% clearly. So let me disconnect the cable and start the stopwatch. Let me even show you the battery percentage, how much I'm using. So this is a 50% brightness friends I am using right now. So alright friends, with the 50% of the brightness throughout the time I'll be using in this Samsung Galaxy M31 device, and I'll be playing the game for about 1 hour, and let's check for 1 hour how much the battery will be dropped from 100%. So right now you can see friends clearly 50% brightness and 100% battery, and let me open the settings and show you exactly what settings I'll be using the game right now in this test. So I'll be using the smooth and extreme settings friends, as you can see here clearly. So the smooth and extreme settings, and for 1 hour I'll be playing the game. This without using any GFX tool. You can actually play with the high settings in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So that is another good advantage for the mobile phone friends. And considering the 6000 mAh of battery, I hope it should last around 6 hours of pubg gameplay test. More than 6 hours with the 50% brightness it should get last. But definitely friends, I'll be doing in-depth review as well regarding the pubg battery drain test. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, because most of the mobile phones which I have right now is 4000 mAh battery, and they lasted around 5 hours, I think 4.5 hours to 5 hours battery drain test in the pubg gameplay. But in the 6000 mAh of battery, it should last a little bit more longer. So maybe adding an extra 1 hour, I guess. So let's check friends in the upcoming videos. Like definitely I'll be doing the battery drain in-depth test in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel friends. So overall, with the smooth and extreme settings, I cannot feel much lag while playing the game. So the gameplay was very smooth. Right now you can see your friends clearly. So when you use HDR and high settings, then the things gets changed. You can feel a little amount of lag while playing the game. But right now with the smooth and extreme settings, I did not feel much lag friends. And definitely again I'll be back exactly after 1 hour of continuously playing the pubg game here in the Samsung Galaxy M31. So again I'll be back friends. Clearly it's 1 hour after playing the pubg game continuously in the Samsung Galaxy M31 device, and right now let's check the battery percent. So as you can see friends, right now the battery percent is 92%, which is very good. So that means you can play the pubg gameplay maybe close to 9 to 10 hours if the statistics are correct, my guess. So definitely friends, I'll be doing the battery draining test starting from 100% to the 0%. So right now I'm not doing the test because right now even I do not have the sufficient amount of time to drain this game, because right now it's 7:30, so it will be midnight by the time I complete this video. So that's why I decided to do it tomorrow. But definitely I'll be doing the battery draining test friends. The expectations were very low, because I thought the battery backup might be close to maybe 6 hours and 7 hours, but right now it only dropped 8% for 1 hour friends. Maybe in the beginning it might be dropping very slow, maybe in the end it might be dropping very fast. So let's check tomorrow in the in-depth battery rating from the 100% to the 0%. So definitely friends, I'll be doing that video as soon as possible. So this is a short video to demonstrate like how good the battery backup of the phone actually is the pubg game while playing the pubg game. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel friends, and also do check the links in description also. See you in the next video friends. Bye.